Understanding the phrase, put out feelers. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, put out feelers. This phrase is a wonderful example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. Put out feelers is an idiom that means to casually gather information or opinions from others. This phrase is often used when someone wants to explore the possibility of doing something, but they do it indirectly or subtly. The origin of this phrase comes from the animal kingdom. Think about how insects like ants or animals like snails use their antennae or feelers to sense their environment. In a similar way, when humans put out feelers, they are tentatively reaching out into their social or professional environment to gauge reactions or gather information. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Job searching. I'm thinking about changing jobs, so I've put out feelers to see if there are any openings in my field. 2. Making plans. We haven't decided where to go for our holiday yet, but we've put out feelers among our friends for some suggestions. 3. Business decisions. Before launching the new product, the company put out feelers to assess the market's interest. In each of these cases, the phrase is used to describe a cautious and exploratory action. When using put out feelers, it's important to remember, it implies a level of subtlety. It's not about direct questioning but rather a gentle probing. It's usually used in a preliminary stage of decision-making. Avoid using it in contexts where direct and clear communication is more appropriate. Thank you for joining me in today's journey through the colorful world of idiomatic expressions. Remember, put out feelers is all about subtly gathering information and gauging opinions. It's a handy phrase to use when you're in the early stages of planning or decision-making. I hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Stay curious and keep exploring the richness of the English language. See you in the next video.